In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create and refine professional employee onboarding guides tailored to specific roles. I start by asking ChatGPT to act as an onboarding guide writer and create a structured template for a new hire's first week. The AI generates a comprehensive layout that includes a welcome message, daily objectives, and a list of key tools to help someone get oriented. This provides a clear roadmap that ensures a new employee feels supported and knows exactly what to focus on during their first 5 days. Next, I ask for a specific version for a marketing coordinator at a mid-sized tech company, including goals for their first 30 days. ChatGPT updates the guide with marketing-specific tasks, such as setting up CRM software and learning the company's brand voice and product services. It also outlines clear milestones for the first month, helping the new hire transition from learning the ropes to contributing to the team's success. To see how versatile the tool is, I then ask it to rewrite the guide for a customer support representative. The content shifts to focus on help desk training, ticket management, and communication guidelines while maintaining the same professional structure. This tailored version highlights the importance of empathy and product knowledge, which are vital for delivering excellent customer service. Finally, I ask ChatGPT to turn the guide into a simple checklist that a new hire can easily follow. It produces a practical, action-oriented list that allows the employee to check off tasks like account activation and team introductions as they complete them. This format is perfect for tracking progress and ensuring that no essential onboarding steps are missed. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.